lovely. It's Terry Chrisman here, plant-based nutritionist from fabuloushealth.net, and today we are making hummus. But not just your everyday hummus. This hummus is going to be an explosion of lemony goodness because the secret ingredient today is the only FDA approved culinary essential oil on the planet from Young Living. It's called Vitality Oil, and we're going to put some of that lemon in, and it is going to blow your head off with lemony loveliness. Okay, let's have a look at our ingredients. We have garbanzo beans. Now I've already separated the water out. This water is called aquafaba, and you can actually do lots of things with this, including make cake frosting and meringues, but that's another video. We have some coriander or cilantro, lemon juice, and some tahini. And because I like things with a little bit of a kick, I got a little bit of sriracha. Now you could add more essential oils to this other than lemon. You could add black pepper and you could add the cilantro essential oil. But today I'm just going to use the lemon because I've only got 1 can of chickpeas. The essential oils are really, really highly concentrated flavors. So with 1 can of chickpeas, the lemon's going to be absolutely sufficient, and I'm just going to use the natural herb, the fresh herb. But if I was making a big batch for lots of people, I might add some black pepper essential oil or some coriander essential oil. So let's get to it. Just going to chop up my garlic. Actually, I don't need to chop up my garlic. Why? Because I'm a numpty. I have a blender. Hello. All right, garlic goes in the blender. All your chickpeas go in the blender. In they go. You've got the juice of half a lemon. And we're going to go for 1 to 2 tablespoons of tahini. Oh, this is a new one. Excuse me while I open it. Should have done this before the video, shouldn't I? Oh, tahini everywhere. I'm going to go for 2 tablespoons because this is quite thin. Now you'll notice that there is no oil in this recipe. I try to cook without oil all the time, and that is because oil is inflammatory and you just don't need that in your body. It's also really, really high in calories and you don't need that in your body either. Herbs. Now, I am going to put 5 drops of this lovely magic potion in. And a little bit of salt. And then just, actually, you know what, see how you can see here the liquid in there? I don't think we need any of this aquafaba. We're just going to leave that there for a second. And off we go. So you notice how it stopped blending? That's because there's not enough liquid in there. So I'm going to add a little bit of this aquafaba. Have a little taste test. Oh man, that's unreal. But I do like things a little spicy. So in goes some sriracha. Of course, you don't have to put sriracha in your hummus. You can just leave it out, or you could put the classic, which is paprika. And it is that simple. Now you could say, hey look, why don't I just put more lemon juice in? Well, you could put more lemon juice in, but then it would just taste like more lemon juice. The lemon essential oil has a much more complex flavor profile than the lemon juice, because the lemon essential oil actually comes from the skin of the lemons, not the juice. So it adds an extra beautiful, fantastic dimension to whatever it is that you're cooking. And you may say, oh, I could just go down the street and buy myself some random Joe Blow essential oils. Well, no, because these ones, the Vitality range, are the only FDA approved essential oils on the planet that are formulated for human consumption. There's nothing in here except the oil from the skins of the lemon. And you can't be sure that that's what's in other bottles. So if you need to know more about the Vitality range, then please have a look at my website, fabuloushealth.net, or send me an email, Terry, T-E-R-R, well, I can't even spell my own name, Terry, T-E-R-R-I, @fabuloushealth.net. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.